Okay, so question 3, you can see here with the typics, I've made 1 or 2 mistakes along the way, and I've actually made a couple of mistakes here, and the second time I realised there's a slightly quicker way of doing the last bit, which can be a bit complicated. But anyway, let's have a look at how this works. So pasta with cheese and asparagus sauce serves 4 people. Here's the recipe. And then of course in this question you needed to convert some of the things, cup, ounces and tablespoons, into milliliters and grams and so on. Now what I did here, which was right, but then got kind of stuck at the end here, and I realised there is a quicker way of doing this last bit. But let's look at here, 4 ounces of butter. Well, 4 ounces is 115 grams, yeah? So straight away we know 4 ounces of butter is 115 grams. 8 ounces of asparagus then, well 8 ounces is double 4 ounces, so you just got to double that, so you get 230 grams. 12 ounces of pasta, well 4 ounces and 8 ounces you've worked out, if you just add them it gives you 12 ounces, so that gives you 345 grams there. 1 onion, well that's great, just 1 onion. 2 tablespoonfuls of stock. Well, it says here a tablespoonful is 15 mils, so 2 tablespoonfuls will be 30 milliliters. 2/3 of a cup of cream. Well, 1 cup is 240 milliliters, so this bit here I haven't typixed out. Okay, so to get 2/3 of a cup, well, I worked out 1/3 first. 1/3 of a cup is just a cup divided by 3, isn't it? So 240 mils divided by 3, which is 80 mils, and then you want the 2/3, so it'll be 2 lots of 80 mils, which of course is 160 mils. It's 160 there. And the last bit then, which kind of gets complicated, depends how you go about it, but it is a much quicker way of doing it, which I realised the second time of going around it. 3 ounces of cheese. Well, they tell you what 4 ounces is. You need to work out what 3 ounces is. Of course, I suppose what you could do is, if you know 4 ounces, you could work out what 1 ounce is, so divide by 4 and then times by 3. Now you can do that, no problem, and you get the answer. But it is a bit of work, a bit of division and so on. I think I did it on here actually, and ended up having something like this, 86.25 or something. But then I realised that actually there is a slightly quicker way of doing this, and I'll show you now in a minute. I'm just going to leave that blank for a minute. Anyway, let's go to the answer here now for 8 people. So of course 8 people, you need to double the ingredients. So double that is 230, double that is 460. 12 ounces then, double that is 690. 2 onions then of course, double it, double this, you get 60, double the cream, 320. And then I realised, well, with the cheese, if you're going to double this for 8 people, that means you can have 6 ounces there, yeah? So that's going to become 6 ounces. And then I realised actually 6 ounces is really easy to work out, because you've already worked out 12 ounces, is this. So 6 ounces is going to be half of this, yeah, because you know what 12 ounces is. So to get 6 ounces, which you want, is just half of that. So straight away, 172.5. Much quicker way than what I went about it the first time around. So there you go, that's what it is there. Spot B then, it says Tamara has half a litre of carton of cream, which of course is 500 milliliters. In a question like this with 4 marks, you would probably get 1 mark just for stating that. Okay, she has large quantities of all the other ingredients. Calculate the largest amount of portions of pasta with cheese and asparagus that she can make. So in terms of portions, in terms of how many people she can serve. Now she's only got 500 mils of cream, and you just need to realise that there's only a certain amount of cream go here, so there's only so many people she can make for. And I went back to the original here, 160 mils. That's the way I thought about this. Would serve 4 people. So then I realised, well, that means then 40 mils would be 1 person. Okay, so you just divide it by 4. So for 40 mils would provide enough for 1 person. So we just need to see now how many 40 mils are in 500. I mean, the good thing is, 10 times 40 is 400. 12 times 40 is 480. So you're not going to get more than 12, because another one would take you over 5, it'd be 520, wouldn't it? So 12 people. Okay, that was how I reasoned that, and we got the marks.